Bet ko yung mga ganitong reviews na talagang after kong ilalagay itong mga products na to, ididiretso kong itulog. Dahil yun yung best kapag skincare products yung i-review ko at gagawin ko na lang ipumikit at matulog na mahimbing, I'm so happy. So last year, nung patapos na yung taon, to be specific November, nangilig ako sa hyaluronic acid. So ako, talagang explore. Bumibili talaga ako online. At talagang nag-explore ako in such a way na mapa magandang reviews niya or raved or itong product na to na hindi pa kilala pero may certain ingredient. Let's say for example, hyaluronic acid nga, binibili ko talaga. And to my success naman, at hindi naman ako na-disappoint dun sa online store na yun, nakakita ako dun sa Japanese skincare category ng product na hyaluronic acid talaga yung main ingredient niya. Tapos, number 1 or highly reviewed siya and talagang ang dami niyang good reviews. So, tinignan ko online, babasahin ko yung reviews niya guys legit to. Will buy it again, 5-star. It lasts forever. I have it since 5 to 6 months and I have still 3 to 4 weeks to go. And I use it at least 2 to 3 layers. Ang haba niya, at ang haba ng review niya, pero nakalagay dito, it is so good for oily skin, especially in the summer when you don't want to have pimples in the morning because of over-moisturizing your skin. May isa pa, sinabi niya, 5 din yung stars niya. Talagang, wow, no. Seriously, wow. Si ate mo, girl, talagang, so ako, nung binabasa yung reviews, parang, okay, humahanda na yung credit card ko, pa-add to cart na ako. Tapos nabasa ko nga nung sinabi niya na I was reluctant to try this for years because it couldn't possibly be as good as people say it is, right? Guess what? It's every bit as good as people say it is, maybe even better, and for me, it's heaven sent. Point, add to cart. Ang bilis na budol. Add to cart at binili ko nga. So I've never heard of this brand, and this brand is called Hada Labo. And this specific product is the #1 face lotion in Japan. Based on research, Hada Labo, kaya siya Hada Labo because Hada means skin and Labo is for laboratory. So, skin laboratory. Kasi yung mother company nila ay pharmaceutical company. So, they focus on the quality of the ingredients more than, let's say, yung packaging or yung design. Which is, very Japanese. So, talagang nasa product quality sila. And yung best-selling product nga nila ay yung #1 face lotion in Japan. Which, pag-uusapan natin mamaya kung ano ba talaga yun. Mag-haul muna tayo ng face wash kasi meron silang 3 klase and sisimulan ko doon sa classic. So this one is the Hydrating face wash. This retails 385 pesos and nasa pala siya guys, nasa affordable range naman siya. So sa Japan, sa drugstore nyo siya makikita, sa Don Quijote, ganyan. Same goes here in the Philippines, sa Watsons, mapa online and offline. So itong Hydrating face wash ay packed siya with hyaluronic acid. Actually, lahat ng products nila sa Hada Labo, hyaluronic acid talaga yung key or hero ingredient. So, meron siyang naiiba lang siya sa types or sa sizes. And dito, meron siyang 2 types. Yung super hyaluronic acid na tinatawag, which is their patented ingredient, and yung absorbent hyaluronic acid. So, yung super hyaluronic acid, basically, mas meron siyang retention power compared dun sa parang ibang size ng hyaluronic acid. And yung absorbent hyaluronic acid naman, ito siguro yung pinakamaliit na nakakapag-penetrate talaga at na-absorb ng balat. So, mamaya explain ko rin as I go yung differences ng mga sizes na yon. Kasi actually may isang brand na napuntahan ko yung R&D lab sa ibang bansa. Pinakita rin sa amin yung parang science behind hyaluronic acid. So, ang dami ko rin natutunan. So, ito yung basic. Si Spike. Yung next variant naman niya, this one is a deep clean and pore refining face wash. This has Japanese green tea extract, which is known to remove and control oil. Tapos, meron din siyang bentonite clay, which is known for deep cleaning, yung nakakatanggal ng dirt and impurities. And of course, meron pa rin siyang hyaluronic acid. The next one, ito, yung Hydra and Whitening Face Wash. This has brown algae extract, which is known to replenish skin with minerals and vitamins. At saka meron siyang resveratrol, which is a good antioxidant. Nakakapagpa-brighten ng skin. And meron din siyang super hyaluronic acid. Both of them ay 295 pesos. At ito na nga, dumako na tayo. So, nalinis yun yung mukha nyo, di ba? So, pwede na rin kayo mag-toner pagtapos kung gumagamit kayo ng toner. Ito na yung highlight of the event. Dahil ito na yung #1 face lotion in Japan. So, this is the Hada Labo Hydrating Lotion. Ito yung kinaligtaan ko. Buti na lang na-refresh ako at ginamit ko siya because mind blown, ang lambot-lambot sa mukha. So, pag-usapan muna natin. So, bakit din siya naging hero product nila and yung best-selling nila? Kasi ito, packed siya with the 4 types of hyaluronic acid. So, explain ko muna yung sizes Imagine ninyo, yung beads ay yung hyaluronic acid. Tapos, mayroong pangsala. Ngayon, Yung pinakamalaking size ng hyaluronic acid, yun yung talagang mas malalapot. Kapag malaki yung molecule, syempre, pag sinala mo siya, let's say, alam mo yun, pag sinala mo siya, yung mga malalaki, syempre may iwan. Tapos kung ano yung mga maliliit, syempre yun yung lumulusot, diba? So, meron different sizes. Yung mga malalaking hyaluronic acid, tapos nano hyaluronic acid. To be specific, so large size hyaluronic acid, medium size, and the super hyaluronic size, or super hyaluronic acid, and then the nano hyaluronic acid. So, yun yung 4 types. And it is packed here sa hydrating lotion na to, which means, yung 4 na klase na yon, so meron tayong talagang potent siya sa hyaluronic acid, which creates the barrier para maka-attract ng water. Tapos meron siyang medium-sized hyaluronic acid and the super hyaluronic acid, which is good for retention or moisture retention. And then yung nano naman, yan yung magpe-penetrate ngayon doon sa ating balat. And that makes this product a really nice product and talagang totoo yung reviews. Actually, I am surprised nung na-story ko siya a week ago. Marami din sa inyo nagsabi na nagtatagal yung product, super lambot sa skin, sa mga nakasubok na, and mga talagang you love this, sinubukan nyo talaga. And talagang ako parang, I can't wait na subukan din ito ng matagal. Kasi may mga iba sa inyo talaga na holy grail pa ito. Once nahugas na yung mukha ninyo, tapos pwede na kayo mag-toner, dito na ngayon papasok yung hydrating lotion. So basically, this is a moisturizer, pero mas malabnaw siya. Kasi pwedeng ito na lang yung gamitin ninyo, or pwede rin naman syempre gumamit pa kayo ng ibang moisturizer. Pwede siyang pang-prep. If you really want to pack your skin with hyaluronic acid, this is the way to go. Konting drop lang, as in ganyan lang. I-rub nyo siya between your hands, and then pat it. Ang dami kong pasahan, no? Ewan ba, PMS? Pat it lang sa face. So, sa chin, sa forehead. And mararamdaman ninyo, yung unang feeling niya, yung sticky feeling, ayan yung gusto ng mga Japanese. Because ang hyaluronic acid talaga ay gooey. Yun talaga yung consistency niya. Pero once set, hindi mo na mararamdaman yung stickiness niya. So if you want talagang mas supple, pwede pa kayo magdagdag. At nakikita nyo yung doink-doink. Yung doink-doink pala nila, parang chok-chok sa K-Beauty. So yung parang mochi skin. Gusto nila yung merong parang makikita mo yung, papakita ko guys sa inyo. Wait lang ah. Tignan nyo yung pisngin ko. Nakikita nyo na parang didikit sa kamay ko. Ayun oh! Ayun! Yun yung mochi skin nila na bet nila sa product na to. Sa unang gamit ko, sabi ko parang may lagkit. Pero once pala na nag-set siya, mawawala na yung ganong feeling. So it's not sticky at all. At pwede rin pala siya sa ibang parte ng katawan. So, parang kunyari, yung siko mo, ay ano na, kasing tuyo na nung halaman mong hindi mo naman dinidiligan, it's time! Ilagay mo yun ngayon dito. So, effective siya. Isa pa palang hack, pwede nyo siyang ilagay sa parang spray na container. Let's say, for example, ito, kunyari maubos ito, pwede ko siyang ilipat, tapos spray ko na lang siya sa mukha. So, yun yung tinatawag na parang skip care. Yung pag nagmamadali kayo, kung gusto nyo ng easy fix, pwede na ito. Because, makakapagbigay talaga siya ng dewiness and glow because of the hyaluronic acid, and it also has glycerin. Kung sa tingin mo kulang pa yung moisture, meron pang 2 klaseng moisturizers para sa'yo. Yung una, yung hydrating water gel. This is ideal for normal to oily skin kasi ito sinusubukan ko na ito. I've been using this as well, and grabe, ito yung tipo ng moisturizer na walang lagkit. I think I would call this hydrator or instead na moisturizer, parang hydrator siya. Kasi, guys, ito yung consistency niya. Para talaga siyang gel. And it's very water-based. You can feel na wala siyang heaviness, sobrang lightweight, and walang lagkit once na nag-set. So ito, meron din siyang 4 types of hyaluronic acid para dun sa hydrating lotion, except meron din siyang added ingredients such as ceramide, which is good for anti-aging or parang lifting. Tapos meron din siyang vitamin B3, aloe vera. Kaya pala meron siyang cooling effect. Meron siyang aloe vera at saka meron siyang other botanical ingredients for talagang skincare. Pag gusto mo naman na mas moisturizing, yung tipong if you have normal to combination skin or even dry skin, go for the hydrating light cream. So ito, compared dun sa water gel, mas mafe-feel mong cream siya. Although very light ang texture. Hindi siya yung normal na cream na parang, mabigat sa mukha. Ito sobrang light. Lightweight nga talaga. So, let's say for example, since meron akong 2 klaseng moisturizer dito, gagamitin ko yung water gel dito sa T-zone ko. Tapos itong light cream dito sa forehead, dito madalas, kung saan nagda-dry, dito sa jawline, sa neck. Sa neck talaga, guys, gawin nyo tong cream. And then, probably during the day, or pwede ring night and, day cream. Yung day cream ninyo, yung water gel, and then yung night cream, itong cream. As of the moment, what I've been using is the Hydrating Lotion. And I highly recommend. Sobrang ganda, sobrang lambot. And I have to agree doon sa mga reviews na nakita ko na yung ang plump talaga ng balat mo, no? Yung ang lambot-lambot lang talaga niya, even the next morning. And so, I can't wait to try this for months talaga, or even for years. Kasi gusto ko talaga ng ganun, yung plump and parang bata. So, that one I highly recommend. And also, I've been using now yung moisturizers niya. Again, yung water gel during the day, tapos yung light cream naman at night. And I've been loving the results. So ako, I suggest, if you want like a starter moisturizer, yung tipong walang anything, walang fragrance, walang masyadong additives, and kung gusto nyo talaga ng hydrating moisturizer, hindi lang siya like moisturizer. Kung takot kayo na nakaka-clog ng pores, then I would suggest itong moisturizers na to dahil very light sila. And hyaluronic acid yung main ingredient nila. So, wala silang masyadong oil ingredients. So, mas makikita mong hindi sila nakakclog ng pores and mas magaan. Lalo na kung hindi pa kayo sanay mag-moisturizer talaga. And let's say kung nagtitipid kayo, you may start of course with this one. And meron din silang trial na size kung gusto mong makita kung kahihiyangan mo yung skincare. Of course, kahit na ideal siya for all skin types, kahit na wala siyang additives, wala siyang like fragrance and colorants, meron pa rin tayong hiyangan factor. So far sa akin, wala naman akong breakouts whatsoever. Nag-a-adjust yung balat ko for sure because I've been trying different skincare products, pero walang breakouts and talagang yung texture ng balat ko panalo, as in ang lambot. And thank you so much to everyone din na nagko-comment and sinasabi nga na parang this is a really, really nice product. So, itong mga products na to, available sila sa select Watsons stores, sa Watsons online, and sa Lazada official store nila. And also, lahat ng products, ilalagay ko sa description box below yung links nila para madaling ninyong mahanap. And as promised doon sa aking Hada Labo Instagram post, congratulations sa 3 winners na ito. Kayo ay nanalo ng Hada Labo products. And hintayin ninyo na ma-reach ng Hada Labo team for your prizes and kung paano ninyo makiklaim ang inyong prizes. So once again, congratulations! Thank you guys for watching! And kung gumagamit na kayo ng any of these products, let me know in the comment section below and share your experience with everyone who's watching. And maraming salamat ulit sa mga sumali sa giveaway. So thank you guys and I'll see you on the next vlog. Bye!